Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on to share a few dies that I received from Globleland, and I will have all of the information in the description box. I also have a coupon code which is happy10, so you can save on your purchase no matter how big or how small. So I'm going to get into these dies all right here. So I may open up a few of them so we can really see. So this is the first one here, and this is just like a, um, an accent layering piece. I will have all of these dies linked in the description, along with their website. So this looks like a pretty nice size, but you get two. They're kind of different styles, but they're also different sizes. So look at my hand. So that's a nice little, backing piece, layering piece. So really, really nice. So you get those two in a set. And then this one here, this is like a little box. I think the rest of them is like some kind of box. And they package these up really good. If I can find the bottom. Okay. So I'm gonna have to figure out how this works. But these are all of the pieces. So look at this little, you get like a little piece here. You could use that for a tag or whatever. You get the little leaves, and look at all these 2 different style leaves. And look at these 3 different style little flowers. These could probably be like little centerpieces. But look at that. So that's going to be a cute little box right there. So I can't wait to put that together to see what that one looks like. And then we have this one here. I'm going to take this out so we can kind of see what it's going to look like. Get it out. Sorry for the crinkling. Kind of maybe like a little gable style. Really cute. This is a little smaller, but you get this. You get this here. Oh, you get a bow. You get a bow with this one. And then you get this looks like it may be the bottom piece. So you probably cut this out twice, and then this is the bottom piece, and then you put it together. And this, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like a little flap. But look at all these little layering pieces. So that's going to be fun. Love that it has a bow. So that is that one. And then this one is a bigger. You can tell this one is really big. Okay, so let's see what's all in here. Okay. So this looks like it might be maybe the bottom. What is this? Maybe, oh, the side. Duh, Lisa. Okay, so this is the side, and then this is the front and the back. So you'll probably have to cut out 2 of these and 2 of these, and then one is your base. And then you have this piece here. That's cute. Looks like little stripes. Then you have these here. And you also get all of these little layering pieces here. And then look at the ovals. So that's a lot. That is a lot. And this is, look at my hand. That's going to be a pretty big, nice size box. So I can't wait to play with these. So this is all of the items that I received from Globleland. I will have everything in the description box. If you make a purchase, don't forget to use the coupon code, which is happy10, to save on your order. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you order one thing or 10 things. You can use the coupon code and save some money. I will be back with project shares. So thanks for watching.